Hey loves, your girl is so excited to make Blueberry Galaxy lip gloss with y'all today. Y'all ready?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey loves, it's your girl LAL here. While I have your attention, please like, comment, and share. We are going to start off by disinfecting our workspace. You always want to do that, especially when you're making products to sell for your business. Always want to be clean with it, you know what I'm saying? So wipe it on down. Alright, love, so let's go ahead and sanitize our hands. We don't want germs spreading everywhere. And then we're going to lay some paper towel down to protect the work area so we don't get gloss all over the place because gloss is very sticky and messy. And the mica powders and pigment. But we're going to put on some gloves. When you are making products to sell, that is very, very important to sanitize and put on gloves. Gotta glove up. You know what I'm saying? Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it helpful. Thank you in advance. So we're going to start out with our coconut oil. And my numbers are pretty much gone on my measurement spoons, but it's okay. I know this is a tablespoon. And so we are going to do 3 tablespoons of liquid coconut oil. Now it is time to add our grapeseed oil. And so I'm going to use also 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil and drop it into my little bowl. And these are our cocoa butter deodorized wafers. Just going to drop in about 6 of those. Sometimes 6, sometimes 7, it just depends. But we're just going to plop those in, plop, just like that. You heard me? Yeah. Let's go ahead and add our pure refined coconut oil. It's going to help make the gloss a little bit thicker and it gives it that texture and consistency that I love. We are also doing 3 tablespoons of this refined coconut oil. And so yeah, just to keep it easy for y'all, this recipe ought to be pretty simple. It's pretty much 3 tablespoons of all of the oils. Just depending on how much you need to make, you know. But now we're gonna pop this in the microwave, y'all, for 45 seconds. And if I need to, I add 15 seconds for a total of 1 minute. Allow it to cool for 15 minutes. And now we're gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of polyisobutene. This gives it that slip, that sauciness, that shine. Yeah, baby. I'm using Lynn Natural Cosmetic Preservative, but you choose the preservative of your choice. This is one that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm over here being silly, y'all see me, but I'm doing 2 droppers full of the preservative. Okay, just 2. And then now we're going in, we're going to add our blueberry flavoring oil. And it smells so good. And these are our mica powders. We are going to mix different mica powders to achieve the desired blue. Okay, so these are the blues that we're going to use. Keep in mind that you can add as much or as little of a different mica powder as you'd like, whatever your heart desires. And so we're going in with the other blue. And we are going to be mixing those together Give it a good stir. Look how gorgeous, y'all. Blue is my favorite color. I love azul. It's so beautiful. And my birthday is in September, but I have loved blue as long as I could remember. But look at how gorgeous. The mica powder gives it that like shimmery look. So now, y'all, we are going to get our lip gloss base. It's time for the Versagel, and y'all know I get my Versagel from No Problema. Alright, love, so we're gonna do about 2 cups of the lip gloss base. That's pretty much all we need, and I'm just giving y'all like a guesstimate just by eyeing it because that's about 2 cups. That's pretty much what I usually do when I'm making a recipe for this amount of lip gloss. But I'm going in with some white liquid lip pigment from TKB Trading, and I'm just going to drop that in. 3 drops is enough. We're not trying to be too dramatic with it. The more we use, the more pigmented the blue will be, and I'm not trying to make like super blue lips. That's not the goal that I'm going for here. Not what we're trying to achieve today. So we want it to show, and we want the blue to look beautiful, but we just need just a little bit. We're starting with this glitter right here. It is sort of a platinum with a blue tint to it. Y'all, I'm extra, so your girl is using 3 different types of glitter. You do not have to use 3 different glitters like me, but you know, we had to be fabulous, and yeah, so that's what we doing. It just depends on what you want to achieve. But this is the next glitter. This one's like a medium tone blue. Very pretty because I love any shade of blue. It's my favorite color, and my birthday's in September. But I've loved blue as long as I can remember, y'all. But we're going to add 1 more blue glitter, but this one, as you can see, is the brightest of all. Yes, Zaddy. Super bright. I don't know, y'all. Am I the only one who's obsessed with mixing lip gloss? I love mixing the glitter, but baby, when I get into adding that pigment and oils, OMG, I'm such a nerd. But we got this to the right texture and the glitter's mixed in, so the time has come. La la la. We are adding in the oils and pigments. So mesmerizing. This is sexy. Yes. Y'all, I love this part. This is like my favorite part. Like when I'm making glosses, I don't know, I'm like really in love with doing this. And when you're passionate about it, that's where it's at. You heard me? It ain't the same when you're not passionate about it. So anyway, y'all, it looks like a goop, kind of like slime, but I have it sped up. But when you mix yours, take your time because it does help with not having as many bubbles, okay? I'm really not mixing as fast as what it's looking like, just FYI. Just didn't want to make the video take all day because I know y'all got places to be and things to do. When you are done mixing, yours should look like this. It's thick but not too thick, just enough slip. So now we get to add it to our 8-ounce squeeze bottle. So I just use my spoon. This is the easy way for me. You have to do what works for you. I just take the spoon and let it slide down into the bottle. I hold the spoon upward and just let the gloss slide down. And at the end, if need be, you could always wipe the top of the bottle off with a paper towel. And you'd be good. You know what I'm saying? So don't fret. No worries, child. You just want to be sure not to overfill it, like leave just a teensy bit of space at the top so that when you do put the lid on, everything won't go all over the place because it's already messy as it is, and you don't want to make it any messier than it already is. But now we're putting on the cap, and now we are going to snip the pipette on both ends and slip the pipette onto the nozzle, and we're gonna take some duct tape, just some black duct tape or whatever duct tape you got, sis. I don't even discriminate. Just snip you a piece, and the way I like to do mine is cut a piece off, and then I like to trim off using my scissors, like a thin strip or 2. And then I just take that duct tape and wrap it around the pipette where it joins the nozzle, and it's secure. And we're gonna just do one more strip. I like to do this twice just to make sure it's not going nowhere, because if it's not secure and you squeeze and it goes flying off, that's not cute, and we don't want you stressed out. But now we got our 15 ml squeeze tube, and we are filling tubes. This is what you do when you have a lot of tubes to fill and you want to fill them quickly. Talk about easy. It's a time saver, a whole lot less stress, than using a syringe. And so we're just going to pop the cap on like that. Voila. Fill another tube for y'all. And I'm just showing you the ease of doing it this way. You don't have to. You can do it the other way if you like. I just had quite a bit of tubes to fill, so of course I chose to do it this way because I do sell them for a business, y'all. Do check out my website, LovelyAngelShop.com. Come shop with us, sis. We love our Angelnistas. Put the cap on, and she ready. Let's do another one. And y'all see, like, going side to side like that is good too. It helps with bubbles and air, and it just looks nice when you do it that way. And it helps fill the gloss on the bottom so that you don't have like a side with no gloss on it. We're gonna do another one for y'all. And y'all, of course, I was going and going for a minute because I filled a bunch of tubes. But just, giving y'all the idea. So if y'all have any questions, of course, ask me in the comments below. Mingle with your girl. I'd love to chat it up with y'all. Please follow your girl also on social media, but these are our glosses. Good job. We all did a great job today, mis amores. So I really appreciate y'all watching. Your silly girl loves you. Please do subscribe and join the fam if you have not already. It's free 99, and thanks so much for watching, loves.